Another SUV bearing the Crown Signia trademark is being added by Toyota to its portfolio. It takes the place of the Venza as Toyota's two-row mid-size vehicle, serving as the crossover brother to the Crown Sedan. The single option is a hybrid powertrain, which comes with standard all-wheel drive and 243 horsepower. It boasts more space and more capability, including the ability to tow, than the Venza. It also has more opulent inside finishes than previous Toyota models, with better materials and a more sophisticated design. But we anticipate that it will be much more expensive as a result, and many premium features are offered as alternatives. The Crown Signia will face competition from mainstream models like the Nissan Murano, the Hyundai Santa Fe, and the Honda Passport, despite its opulent inclination. Like the Venza it replaced, the new Crown Signia will have a comparable place in the Toyota portfolio. It is anticipated to be more expensive than both the three-row Highlander and the tiny RAV4, despite being smaller than the latter. Depending on the specification and options, the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is anticipated to cost between $45,000 and $52,000. Given that the Limited trim adds leather upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, 21-inch alloys, heated back seats, and an 11-speaker JBL audio system, we believe it will be the best option. A hybrid powertrain with all-wheel drive is standard on the Crown Signia. Both the XLE and Limited trim levels of the Crown Signia will be available, and our price projections are predicated on the idea that the SUV version will be more expensive than the Crown Sedan. It has 3 electric motors and a 2.5-liter gasoline engine with 4 normally aspirated cylinders. This generates 243 horsepower in total, and an automatic transmission with continuous variable function is included as standard. The Crown Signia's acceleration performance is unknown as we haven't tested or driven one yet, but we anticipate it to be comparable to the base 236 HP AWD hybrid arrangement seen in the Crown Sedan. In our tests, the model reached 60 mph in 7.2 seconds.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now.
The EPA and Toyota have not disclosed the Crown Signia's fuel efficiency figures. We anticipate it to get nearly 40 mpgs when driving mixed. It will probably be significantly more fuel efficient than the non-hybrid options in the mid-size SUV class, regardless of where the final figures end up. We'll test it on our 75 mph fuel economy route when we get an opportunity, and we'll update this piece with actual test results. The inside of the Crown Signia is akin to that of the Crown Sedan, including high-quality materials and an appealing dashboard layout. The XLE model's base upholstery is a blend of cloth and vinyl. However, the Limited model seats are upgraded to leather. 5 passengers may fit in the 2 rows of seats, and when the back seats are folded down, a sizable cargo area opens up. There are 2 interior color options, brown and black. An optional panoramic sunroof creates an airier sensation. All models come equipped with a 12.3-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster as standard, Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available on the central touchscreen, along with a host of other connectivity options like voice assistant, over-the-air upgrades, and Wi-Fi. Upgrading to the Limited adds an 11-speaker JBL-tuned stereo in place of the XLE trim's 6 speakers. The majority of Toyota's most recent driver assistance technologies come installed as standard on the Crown Signia. Automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, pedestrian detection, and lane departure warning with lane keeping assistance are standard on all models. While competitors from Hyundai and Kia provide more generous warranty coverage, the Crown Signia just has the same as other Toyota vehicles. One excellent feature that sets the Crown Signia apart from other mid-size crossovers is that Toyota will pay for the vehicle's maintenance for the first 2 years or 25,000 miles. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, and also comment down below. Thank you.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done